Kia ora, with the McNeils. I'm Preston.
I'm Faye. This is Khan.
This is Ari.
And this is Little Baby Wild. We love to travel, and now we're going on an epic roadie down State Highway 1.
Oh wow, they're like dragon claws. Wow, there's so much space out here.
I have got the big vegan.
Oh, look at this. Whoa! Nice. It's scary. Not a propes unless you got the right gear.
Yeah. Do you like this place?
Yeah, it was very awesome.
It goes higher and it gets harder and harder. Okay? Off you go.
Okay, mucky mucky. These little logs are super. 1, 2, 3, go.
So, all four-wheel road pizza in Whāngārei. Let's see how it goes.
Locally made organic halloumi from Green Gecko.
Our boys are inside playing with their boys. So Mum and Dad are going to enjoy their pizza.
Oh my god. That's salsa. So good.
Looking down, need to get a conclude. Think about the family jewels. It's a lose-lose. Everybody here is trying to be cool, but you choose. I never know.
Was that Rent a Crowd New Zealand style? I think it was. On the one, on a train.
Yeah.
One on a train!
Hey,
How fancy is that?
Pretty epic.
98 kilometres to the tippy top.
Yay, we're at Cape Whāngārei.
Look.
Oh, we've been on in Cape Whāngārei.
Yeah, look. This is the end. This has just been an absolute joy to make. This has been our love letter, and thank you to everyone in New Zealand for how we've behaved and how strong we've been. We hope that you get the chance to go exploring with your family. I hope we've shown you some places you've never been to before. We've definitely found places we've never been to before. We made it!
Let's go!